Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost on a 2016 Range Rover Evoque. This product's very straightforward. All you do is jump in the vehicle, don't put your foot in the brake, turn on the ignition, insert a secret code, get a double flash from the indicators, vehicle starts, straightforward. If you don't put the code in, so say for example someone clones your key or takes your keys from your house and jumps in and tries to start it without inserting the code, this is what will happen. Ignition on, vehicle start and cut out. Vehicle start and cut out. Therefore making it very difficult for someone to steal. So basically again, ignition on, ignition off, ignition on, insert a secret code. Indicators give you a double flash, vehicle start again. Very straightforward to use. In this product is also a facility, if you don't want to give anyone the code, there is a valet procedure where basically what you do is you jump in the vehicle, ignition on, insert the code, double flash from the indicators again, then you hit another button. On this one it's the cancel button 5 times. You'll get 5 flash from the indicators. This is now invalid now, which means you can hand this car over, they can drive it, move it around, turn it on and off, the vehicle out like a normal car. To take it out of valet mode, once you've received the vehicle back, very straightforward again, ignition on, insert your secret code, you'll get a double flash. That's now just jumped out of valet mode, the vehicle's again protected. I'll turn off the ignition, just to confirm that the vehicle's protected again. Try to start it without inserting the code, vehicle won't start. Okay, so basically ignition off, ignition on, insert your code, double flash from the indicators, vehicle starts normally again. My name's Otto, the company's called London Car Alarm Company. You can get us on 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching our video. Bye bye.